transfer window just finished now. With what Rashford they do, we see some the kind of money where they sign some players for January transfer window. We see the money when some clubs quote for some players, when some clubs even reject the big money like that. How much you think say Marcus Rashford worth if maybe you want to enter market for summer? You understand? With what you they see so far this season.
Rashford na 26 years old. So with the age and the performance, 80 million.
Around 80
Around
million.
80 million, yeah. 80 million. Like value be that.
For now, if they wan put Rashford for market, na all those 80 to 90 o. That Rashford worth because him form this season he shock everybody. All the Man U fans still dey talk am say Rashford shock us. You know, all him matches, if he no score goal, he must give assist. He don play sotey this January na him collect Premier League player of the month o. To watch to see say him performance